Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove the navigation head unit. This goes the same for the CD changers and other components that are using this kind of locks. Okay, this is Golf MK7 and this is Discover Media head unit, but as I said, you can use the same method for all the other Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda cars to remove the head units and CD changers. We need to use right tools, so over here I have a set of trim removal tools and this is the important one, and we need to place those keys over here and over here. So when I place it, I should hear a click. 1 and 2, okay. And right now you can grab it and pull it. Even with one hand you can remove the head unit. And when you have it removed completely, you can access the wiring. For example, if you want to retrofit a backup camera or GPS, or you are replacing it, whatever reason you have, right now you can access the connector over here, the quadlock connector, and all the antenna connectors that are over here. And to remove those keys, you can simply press over here, and when you press over here, you can just remove the key. I'm not sure if you can see that because it's very bright right now. And when you are done with the wiring and you want to place it back in a place, you just need to put it back. You just need to put it back and push it in place until it clicks. And that's it. Okay? Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.